This question is convert to base -2. So you are given the integer n, so return the binary string representation in base -2. So again, like if the base is actually 2, then we will definitely know the 0 degree is definitely 1. The 1 degree is what? 2. And then the 2 degree is 4 and then 8, right? For the -2, 0 degree is 1, right? 1 degree is -2, 2 degree is 4, -8 for the next one. Why? Just, -2, 0, -2, 1, -2, 2, -2, 3. So only thing is what? If you notice, like, this is not changing, this is not changing, this is not changing. So the common of the common of degree that are not changing is actually the even number. So if the degree is actually even number, we have a positive number. Then if the degree is negative, it's odd. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Then they are actually different, right? So how do we shift the sign when we actually go into the next degree? And we can actually just add a sign, add a negative sign on the next one, right? So when we shift, so the entire solution are pretty similar to what finding the integer when you're given the base 2. So I'm gonna just keep typing. I start typing and then just follow along. So I have a StringBuilder. So if this is a normal base 2 conversion, then I would just append and then n1, right? Just find out the last digit. I'm using an n notation, and then n equal to what? N shift right by 1. If this is what? Base 2, right? And if this is base -2, then I just put a negative sign over there. And then when I want to return, the only thing I have to check is what? If the length is actually greater than 0, then what? I need to reverse, right? I need to reverse, then convert to a string, else I just return 0. And if this is base 2, you still have to reverse. I mean, this is the simple stuff, right? So if if n is actually equal to 8, right? And the binary string is actually 1 0 0 0 0, right? And then when we want to just using shift right every single time when we append the last digit, we will get 0 0 0 1, right? And then when we want to return, we will definitely need to reverse. Then the binary string of n is definitely correct. So it does. So this is not matter of -2 base. It's also matter of positive 2. So just have to reverse, and this is straightforward enough. Submit. So let's talk about the time and space. This is going to be a time, and I'm going to say log n. Why? Every single time you shift right by 1 is actually what? Base 2, right? And then the time is actually what? Log base 2. Log base 2 of n, right? And then if this is what? Base -3, then base 3 of n, something like this, right? And the space, space is the it depends. I mean, it still depends on n, so it's going to be log n, and then the base is 2. You only need the length of the log n length, right? So just like I'm going to just run some debug. So let me see, 17, and using debug mode, start debugging. So let me run it. So look at this, and the output is 10001, and you can double check, right? So again, this is straightforward enough, and just a little bit thinking when you want to convert to a negative. Alright, so if you have a question, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it. Alright, peace out, bye.